Hello students, welcome to Sir Classes. For detailed information about our classes, you can visit our website, that is www.sorosirclasses.com. And if you need study materials and full videos of our courses, you can just call us or WhatsApp us at this number 9836793076. You can even like our videos and subscribe our channel for further more videos. Today we are discussing some questions on general knowledge, and here is our first question. It's a very interesting question, and the question is, on the planet Earth, most of the fresh water exists as ice caps and glaciers. Out of the remaining fresh water, the largest portion, and here four options are given. Option A, that is found in atmosphere as moisture and clouds. Option B, that is found in freshwater lakes and rivers. Option C, that is exists as groundwater, and option D, that is exists as soil moisture. The oceans hold almost 97% of the Earth's water. It is saline. So, we cannot use this water. Now, the remaining 3% is the fresh water. On the fresh water, 30% of it is groundwater. Now, 30% of this is groundwater. Of the fresh water, about 0.3% is found in rivers and lakes. Now, 0.3% is found in rivers and lakes. This means that the water source we are most familiar with in our everyday lives, rivers, lakes, accounts for less than 1% of all fresh water exists on Earth. A very small percentage of water, that is 0.1%, is also found in the atmosphere. 0.1% is also found in the atmosphere. So here option C, that is exists as groundwater, is the correct answer. So on the planet Earth, most of the fresh water exists as ice caps and glaciers. Out of the remaining fresh water, the largest portion exists as groundwater. Now, our next question is the annual range of temperature in the interior of the continents is high as compared to coastal areas. Which is or are the reason or reasons? Now, here four options are given, 4 points are given, and those are option points 1, that is thermal difference between land and water. Point 2, that is variation in altitude between continents and oceans. Point 3, that is presence of strong winds in the interior. And point 4, that is heavy rains in the interior as compared to coasts. And here 4 codes are given. We have to choose one of those. Now, statement 4. In statement 4, it's given that heavy rains in the interior as compared to coasts. It is incorrect, since it is the coastal areas which generally receive more rainfall than the interior. It is also not necessary that strong winds be present in the interior and not the coasts. Moreover, such winds will only have a marginal effect on the temperature differences. Thus, statement 3 is also incorrect. Similarly, Statement 2 is also incorrect because it is not necessary that there be an elevation difference between the coastal and the interior which is substantial enough to make an impact on the temperature. So option 2 is also incorrect. Now, statement 1 is the only correct one because water heats and cools slower than land. That is why the range of temperatures in the interiors of continents is high. In the coastal areas, due to the moderating effects of the water, there is much smaller temperature variation across the year. So here option 1, statement 1 is the correct one, and it's saying that thermal difference between land and water. So option A, that is only one, is the correct answer.